He's shaking.
Yeah.
Look at him shake.
Survival in the wild has never been easy for animals. They need food, territory, and the strength to fight enemies. Also, they need luck. But death is always a part of life. Even for lions, the kings of beasts, death always comes around. There are many causes of lion death. Old lions will weaken and die of starvation. Old lions are not strong enough to hunt. At the Trans-Frontier Club Gagati Park, an old male lion is spending the last 4 days of his life. The lion becomes weaker day after day. And he seems to be lying waiting for death to come. Another male lion that is luckier still has food, but is too weak to even be able to eat. He looks so skinny. It's pitiful, but perhaps this is a gentle death for lions in the wild. Compared to dying because of territorial disputes, lions dying of old age is probably a good thing for them. To be a king is never easy for male lions. They may have to die under the claws of their own kind. On the banks of the Crocodile River, an extremely fierce scene took place when a coalition of 3 male lions managed to isolate and attack a smaller lion. The young male lion was badly injured and couldn't even stand up. Luckily for it, a hippo came ashore and chased the 3 lions away. But the young male lion suffered an injury on his spine and died because of its injuries the next morning. Similar territorial battles between male lions are frequent on this grassland. It's their natural law. They need territory to hunt. To have territory and food sources for the pride, lions sometimes have to pay with their lives. Each war, whether the winner or the loser, is painful. Territory is only an important part for lion, but it also needs food to stay alive. Hunting is essential to maintaining that. And the lion's hunt is fraught with danger. Death may be very close. Next to the riverbank in Africa. Two lions are lurking around a hippocarcass when suddenly a crocodile attacks. Leaving a lion with a stomach injury. Or in another recorded scene, a lion nearly died by swimming across the river due to an attack by crocodiles. A lion is convulsing in a swamp. Perhaps the poor lion was bitten by a venomous snake. Lions are not immune to snake venom. So when attacked by snakes, they can also die. In the hunt, the lion must confront enemies, and large prey could kill it. Lions are a species that has the ability to hunt extremely strong, even larger animals such as the buffalo. A lion recklessly attacked a herd of buffalo and was trampled and charged to death. There are other lions that are more fortunate. After being knocked into the air, they still manages to run away. The trauma after hunting can damage the lion's nerve, leading to promotions and pain. This scene was recorded from Pilanesberg National Park in South Africa. Wildlife isn't easy to become a king. The lions must play with blood, pain, and sometimes their life. Can you imagine what would be like if we had to survive in the wild like lions? I hope the above information is useful to you. If you're a wildlife lover, subscribe to the channel to get more videos. See you again.